Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 019 HW1 System of Equations Elimination. We're going to walk through the first 4 problems, and hopefully you guys can do the rest of the problems correctly for homework here, or the first 3 problems, because you have a total of 6. Alright, so problem number 1, you have x plus 3y equals negative 8, and the second equation in this system of equations is negative x minus 6y equals 8. Now, working with elimination method, we use the elimination method when we could cross out a variable right away. So in this case, the x's are opposites of one another, so they can be eliminated right away. This is a positive 1x and this is a negative 1x. Since they're opposites, we cancel them right out. Then we're going to combine these two equations into one equation. Positive 3y minus 6y is going to get us negative 3y. And negative 8 equals 0. Negative 8 plus 8 gets you 0. So we just combine the equations. Then we use our inverse operations. We divide by negative 3 to both sides and get y equals 0. We got that by dividing by negative 3 to both sides. Once we got y all by itself, we know the value, we can then substitute 0 in for y. So I'm going to take that top equation of x plus 3y equals negative 8, and I'm going to put a 0. The 0 is going to go in for the y value. So we're going to have x plus 3 times 0 equals negative 8. And now we're just going to solve for x. 3 times 0 is 0, so it'll be x equals negative 8. Now, we solve for x, we solve for y, and we just have to write our final answer in a coordinate form. So it would be parentheses negative 8, comma 0. This is the solution, negative 8, 0, is the solution to the system of equations of our equation that we got here, our systems. So let's do number 2. Number 2 is negative 9x minus 2y equals 21, and 9x plus 2y equals negative 21. Now, number 2 is a little bit tricky, and something we talk about in the next lesson here a little bit more. But since you're watching the video, you'll be able to get a head start. Negative 9x and positive 9x, they cancel out. Negative 2y and positive 2y, they also cancel out. You could eliminate them. And with this last one, they also eliminate. When all 3 get eliminated right away, we have ourselves